Gates open, they're up and racing. Joint account running by the rail is True Account. Then racing in third by the rail, Master Babu, followed by Sharp Cookie. Tirad past the favorite third last, second last Blue Shake, and trailing the group is San Marino. About to pass the last 800. True Account. Joint account is sorry outside. Master Babu remains in third. Tirad pass approaching on the outside. Sharp Cookie drops back in pit. Blue Chic and San Marino pass the last 600. True Account running by the rail. Joint account almost as one and moving up now to take third. Tirad pass, then comes Master Babu as the action kicks for home. True Account now running on the outside to grab the lead. This joint account. Tirad pass. Moving up on the outside with 150 to go. Joint account by the rail. Then on the outside, Tirad pass. Joint account, Tirad pass is on the outside. Joint account, Tirad pass is on the outside. And finally, joint account, Tirad pass. True account, Master Babu, Blue Chic, Sharp Cookie, and San Marino.
There you go. Third favorite joint account first in this race. Eh, kita naman